Right, so today, guys, we're going to do some science vocabulary. We're going to start our science unit. So I'm going to start by showing you how to get into FOSWEB. So you'll be able to do that if you go onto the technology portal. This is our Park Your ES homepage. So if you click on technology portal, it opens up, and you're going to get there through Clever. Okay, so click on the Clever link. And Clever opens up, and you're going to click on the FOSWEB link, which is over here for me. Okay, and then Clever will open up for you. So if you go down here, you're going to hit log in with Clever. Okay, so now I am in. As I go down, I see FOSS modules, and you won't see this whole page on our webcast or our recording here because it's not big enough. But down here, you kind of scroll down. Okay, and we're looking for environments, which is this one, grade 4. It's the one with the bear on it. Okay, so you hit view module detail. Okay, and then you're going to go over here on the edge, and you're going to go into student ebook in English or Spanish, and you're going to choose interactive ebook. And you'll just give it a minute and the book will load for you. Okay, now you'll see the cover of the book comes up, and you can see we've got a grizzly bear here eating a salmon. Okay, you're just clicking on the corners of the book to get started, or the little arrows actually. Little arrow here. Okay, to get started. Now your assignment will be to read page 3, which is this one called Two Terrestrial Environments, all the way to page 15. Okay, it seems like a lot of pages, but there are a lot of pictures if you start looking through the book here. Okay, I'll just kind of show you a few pages. Lots of pictures. Now you will notice in the text there are some highlighted words, and some of those words are going to be what you're going to need to do for your assignment, which is look up vocabulary words. Okay, and I'll show you that page. You're going to be reading about living factors in deserts. Okay, this is just kind of an introductory to environments. I wish I could make this page bigger for you. But anyway, you will see there are a lot of different environments, kind of an introductory thing about it. And then the last thing is setting up a terrarium. Okay, so it shows you how to make a homemade terrarium. And if anybody actually does this, I'd like to see it. It gives you some directions on that. So that's how you get into FOSWEB. I also put some directions in the Google Classroom to get into here. So remember, you get in using Clever. You don't have to remember any passwords or any of that. You just get in using Clever. All right, so in the Google Classroom, you will see an assignment called Science Vocabulary, and this is the vocabulary I'm talking about. So the directions are to write each word down in your science journal and find the definition from your science text found on FOSWEB. I just showed you how to get in there using Clever. I've selected some of the vocabulary from the reading from page 3 through 15 that I thought was important. Aquatic environments, terrestrial environments, canopy, understory, nocturnal, amphibians, dormant, fertile, and evaporates. Okay, again, you do not have to print this sheet out. I want you to write science vocabulary at the top of your first page in your journal. Then I want you to write these words down and find the definition from your text. For example, if I'm looking for aquatic environments, I would look in my book here. I know that's going to be one of my first ones here. Okay, down here I'm reading. And I'm going to be looking in here to find, it says there's aquatic environments and terrestrial environments. Terrestrial refers to Earth's land. Okay. Aquatic would, of course, refer to the Earth's water. Okay, so I'm just going to be looking through my text until I find those words, and they should be highlighted. Okay, I'm just going to write it down in my journal. That's all we're doing to start with for your science vocabulary.